If you're tired of constant notifications interrupting your focus, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone, ensuring peace and quiet whenever you need it. Stick around to learn everything, from turning it on manually to scheduling it for different times of the day. Let's dive in. All right, let's start by unlocking your iPhone. Swipe up if you're using Face ID or press the Home button if you have Touch ID. Now we're on the home screen. The quickest way to activate Do Not Disturb is through the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. If you're using an iPhone with a Home button, swipe up from the bottom instead. You'll see several icons here, but we're looking for the Focus button. It looks like a crescent moon. Go ahead and tap it. This brings up the Focus menu, where you'll see Do Not Disturb right at the top. Simply tap on it, and just like that, Do Not Disturb is activated. You'll notice the moon icon appearing in the status bar, indicating that notifications are now silenced. But wait, there's more. What if you want to schedule Do Not Disturb to turn on automatically? Let's go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Focus. Here, you'll see the Do Not Disturb option at the top. Tap on it. Inside this menu, you have several customization options. A cool feature is allowing important contacts to still reach you. Tap on People and add any contacts that you want to allow calls from. This is perfect for emergency contacts or VIPs that you don't want to miss messages from. Similarly, tap on Apps to allow notifications from certain apps even when Do Not Disturb is active. Maybe you want to silence everything except your work email. This is the place to configure that. On the bottom, tap on Add Schedule. You can set a time-based schedule, which means Do Not Disturb will activate and deactivate at specific times each day. Let's set it to turn on at 10 p.m. and off at 7 a.m., perfect for an undisturbed night's sleep. If you want even more automation, you can link Do Not Disturb to location-based triggers. For example, you can have it automatically turn on when you arrive at work or a specific location. Tap on Location and select the place you want. It's that easy. You can always disable Do Not Disturb by tapping the Focus button again or switching it off in Settings. And that's it. Now you know how to activate, schedule, and customize Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. This feature is perfect for meetings, study sessions, or simply getting a good night's sleep without interruptions. Before you go, here's a quick joke. Why did the iPhone go to therapy? Because it had too many notifications to handle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next one.